Hi, my name is Mark McLellan. I'm president of AK Industrial Services, based out of Boston, Massachusetts. We perform hydrodemolition and industrial services. One of the biggest struggles with hydrodemolition is what do you do with the dirty water and debris. The debris you can clean up, but now you have this water that has suspended solids in it. It has a high pH. And traditionally, we used a series of weir tanks with different additives that you had to let the suspended solids settle. You had to adjust the pH almost manually. Then you had to filter the water. The process was quite cumbersome, took up a lot of space if you were in a tight job site. So when we looked at the EcoClear, it's a 20-foot long storage box, so it takes up a small footprint on a job site. And it's self-automated. All you have to do is get the water to it. It regulates the pH, it takes out the suspended solids and disperses clean water. It has a data logger, so you can give your test results to the owner so they know the water is clean and adjusted properly. And it's truly been a huge factor in our business, and it really impresses the owners and general contractors that we work for.